Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm gonna be working on my CV joints for the car. I'm replacing them. I already took out the old ones. I'm gonna kind of explain to you how you pop them out using the new ones. Just gonna kind of demonstrate everything for you guys to maybe change out your own CV joints, axles, half shafts, however you guys call them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. They're both my CV axles, half shafts. This is the driver left and the passenger right. If you're looking at it this way, it's the passenger side, and of course the driver's side is going to be over here. Gonna be going in through the bottom. Put some cardboard down, that way I don't get myself too dirty. Yeah, it's just kind of keeps things a little bit cleaner, just in case anything happened. I'm gonna show you guys what happened on the other side. Is I have one of my CV axle actually popped, and that's why I'm changing it. So all the grease spilled out everywhere and it made a mess. So I'm gonna have to clean everything over there. You're gonna see the difference compared to this side. This side's just a little dusty, which I'm also gonna probably clean everything before I put the CV in. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all that stuff. All the grease everywhere. So I have some extra cleaning to do. Then I gotta tighten down this shock because I was initially changing the shocks first, and changed this one, no problem. Everything went back together, moved to that side, and lo and behold, my CV was busted, grease everywhere like I was telling you, and it was just crazy. I had grease all over my hand once I was trying to get in there to get it out. It was very difficult. I was gonna try to record in there, but I was struggling for about 40 to 50 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to an hour, I would say. Honestly, I was struggling for a little while. So I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get it out today. I was even almost giving up until I used old reliable sledgehammer. Of course, so you gotta use it. Yeah, I didn't damage anything either. I was just hitting the CV. All right, guys. So that's exactly where my shaft is gonna have to go. No pun intended, because there it is. My half shaft CV axle. So again, all you really have to do, just maneuver the axle into the slot where it should go. If you see it, it has grooves, just like the teeth here. As long as you guide it in. Just like that. You gotta push it in a little bit further. You hear a little click. And then I'll have to bend it in into here. That's what's gonna turn everything. But yeah, so let me go ahead and just seat that in as far as it goes, and I'll show you the rest of it. Okay guys, see, so I just went ahead and maneuvered this in through here. As you can see, it's barely sticking out, so I have to push it in as far as it goes. Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and muscle in this part of the steering knuckle into my shock. And I have a camber adjustment bolt that I'm gonna use at the top, so I can go ahead and adjust everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna muscle that in real quick. I'm gonna put this bolt on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it should look. All right, so you can see I put it in the mountain right here. I just have to pick it up as hard as I can until it's matched up. I have to hold it in place and then put the bolt in. Okay guys, and then once you get the bolt in like this, everything should go really smoothly. Just got to remember to attach all your little brake lines, brake cables, and all that stuff. That's actually the speed sensor, sorry. So yeah, just gotta make sure to attach everything back together, clean your brake, with brake cleaner, because I mean, I'm sure you touched it, and with it exposed also it gets a lot of dirt on it. So make sure you get brake cleaner, clean your brakes, do all that stuff every time you take the tire off or do anything, because the brake pads and the rotor get exposed to a lot of dirt, so that's why they squeak. That's everything going in. It's all the way out here. I just have to put the nut here. All right, and there we go. Last but least, I have to, of course, torque this down to spec. It has a hole here, and it comes with a cotter pin. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that as well. After I get everything down, make sure I get the second strut bolts going as well. Check all my bolts and everything, because I did just change out the shocks and everything. So again, I have to make sure, double check, triple check even if you can. Always be safe. Make sure everything is torqued down, everything is tightened down. Always check all the bolts, always. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm gonna do, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. As far as everything, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Still have the exhaust and the battery to reroute. Gonna loosen up the exhaust, and we're gonna replace it with a catback exhaust. So we're gonna see how it sounds and everything. Right now it's stock, but yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.